Learn with Jelly Bear. Color magic. Yellow, green, blue, orange and red. I'm playing in the park today. The yellow sun is bright. But high up in the green tree is Ringo's tangled kite. What color does it have, the kite? Yes, yellow. Well done. Ooh. Look. Uh-oh, Ringo is not so happy with it. Let's play a game with my new ball. It's bright and shiny red. But Polly would prefer to eat some purple grapes instead. And what else does she have for a picnic? A cupcake, a long French bread, 3 tomatoes and a green apple. Yummy! That's all in her picnic basket. There's a little purple caterpillar here as well. And a red and blue ladybird with 5 dots. I zoom along on my blue bike. I'm going really fast. And a blue bird is here as well. Polly sails her new pink boat. Can you spot its sails and mast? It's also pink. And the mast, the flag is a bit white. Beautiful. We've made grey paper aeroplanes to race across the sky. But swooping in between them is an orange butterfly. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Look, the giraffe is looking. Oh no, the butterfly is going in between. I'm tired. Oh, so I head off to bed. It's time to say night night, night night. I snuggle with my penguin friend who's soft and black and white. Look, he's laying under a blue blanket in his blue bed with his yellow pillow. And here he has some colored pencils. A purple, yellow, green, red, blue and pink and an orange car. And there are some stars in the night here through his window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 white stars and a white moon as well. Colors, colors all around. Let's look and see what we have found. Orange butterfly, green tree, yellow sun, grey paper aeroplane, blue bicycle, purple grapes, red ball, pink boat, black and white penguin, black and white. And he has orange feet and an orange nose. The text is by Libby Walden and the illustrations by Annette Heiberg and Artful Doodlers. This was Color Magic. Learn with Jelly Bear.